In section 11, topic 8, we're looking at the volume and surface area of spheres. So the volume equation is 4/3 pi r cubed, and the surface area equation is 4 times pi times the radius squared. So in this example that we have, I have a sphere with the diameter as 16.2. So if I know the diameter is 16.2, the radius is going to be half of that. So the radius that we're going to use is 8.1. So when we're calculating the volume, equals, we're looking at the 4/3 times pi, so again just use 3.14, times the radius cubed. So I recommend doing 3.14 times 8.1 cubed times 4 divided by 3. So that's a good way to get along with that fraction. And when you do that, the volume is going to be 2,224.9. And remember that volume is in units cubed. The surface area we're going to use the formula from above, so we're going to use 4 times pi, so 4 times 3.14 times 8.1 squared. And when we do that again, we're doing 4 times 3.14 times 8.1 squared. You should get that the surface area is 824.06, and again remember that area is in units squared. And just for your information, I know that in Khan Academy and possibly on the worksheet, you're going to be asked to either find the volume or surface area of a hemisphere. If that's true, just remember that a hemisphere is half of a sphere. So you'll do these calculations above, and then whatever you get for your answer, you'll just take half of it. So you'll just divide by 2.